Welcome to Lesson 2 of Model 3, the impact of AI on businesses. Today, we will explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing business processes across various sectors, enhancing efficiency, decision-making, and customer engagement, and driving innovation and growth. AI is transforming business operations in several key ways. Operational efficiency. AI technologies streamline complex business processes, automate routine tasks, and optimize the allocation of resources. For example, in supply chain management, AI enables more accurate demand forecasting and inventory optimization. Predictive maintenance powered by AI can anticipate equipment failures before they occur, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Enhanced decision making. By analyzing vast datasets in real time, AI provides businesses with actionable insights that were previously inaccessible. AI applications in data-driven analytics helps firms predict market trends and understand customer behavior more deeply, leading to more informed strategic decisions. Improved customer experience. AI enhances how businesses interact with customers. AI-powered chatbots provide personalized assistance, offering support and services efficiently. Virtual assistants and recommendation engines not only improve customer interactions, but also enhance overall customer satisfaction by predicting needs and tailoring experiences. AI's influence extends beyond operational improvements to fostering broad-based innovation and growth. Product development. AI accelerates the pace of research and development, enabling companies to innovate faster and more effectively. This is evident in industries like tech and pharma, where AI-driven product design optimization and content generation are becoming standard practices. Market expansion. AI tools facilitate targeted marketing and personalized advertising, which are crucial for expanding market reach and adapting to consumer preferences. Techniques like customer segmentation and dynamic pricing strategies allow businesses to tailor their offerings and maximize market penetration. Business agility. In today's fast-paced market environment, AI enhances business agility by enabling companies to make quicker decisions based on predictive modeling and scenario planning. This adaptability is crucial for risk management and responding to market changes effectively. So as we can see, AI's role in business extends from enhancing daily operations to reshaping strategic decisions and growth trajectories. By leveraging AI, companies are not only improving their current processes, but are also positioning themselves for future success. So thank you for joining today's lesson on the impact of AI on businesses. In our next lesson, we will delve into the ethical considerations surrounding AI in the business context. Looking forward to discussing how we can navigate these challenges responsibly.